Take exit 4 onto State Route 900 West. Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto State Route 900 West.
Wait, because the base is low-key freaking eating. Line. Someone recommended me to go to Bigfoot. First time here.
Turn right, then arrive. Arrived.
Superstars. It's not safe for you. We took a nap, so we're headed out late. So we do our makeup in the car. If you guys are from here, what are some good seafood like restaurants? Because we're low-key craving seafood. Alright, now I'm doing powder. It's okay.
Como Dutch Bros.
To finish makeup, I did it in like less than like 15 minutes, but it came out good. Bye guys.